In Mumbai, the NCP is holding its election strategy meeting. The party keeps the Congress guessing about its support to the Congress beyond the 2014 elections. The party has recently stirred a hornet's nest with not one but several leaders, and now including the party chief Sharad Pawar, seen as going soft on Narendra Modi. First, it was Praful Patel and then Sharad Pawar who said after the court verdict in 2002, the matter should rest. And headlines today's Kamlesh Sutar now joins me for more on this story. Kamlesh, all is clearly not well between the Congress and the NCP when it comes to Maharashtra, and these are extremely crucial elections. What's the thinking within the NCP?
A faction in the NCP believes that the NCP the leaders in coming in for last few days is nothing but pressure tactics. In Maharashtra, Gaurav, there is a lot of bickering between the Congress and NCP over the Lok Sabha seat sharing. Most of the state Congress leaders of the opinion that NCP should not be given its 22-seat quota that it contested in 2004 and 2009. They say that the NCP's power has gradually diminished in the state and they should not be getting 22 seats. The NCP says that they are still a strong party in Maharashtra and the seat sharing format 26-22 should continue. Based on that, the NCP is trying to exert pressure on the Congress. So these statements that are coming in from Praful Patel or Sharad Pawar himself, this is a pressure tactic by the NCP to get its seat of share in the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections.
In fact, Manik Rao Thackeray, the MPCC chief, he said within a week we will sort out this matter. This may well be pressure tactics as far as the NCP is concerned, but politically, given their constituency, there is no way that they can go with the BJP or the Shiv Sena or the MNS. They are adversaries. Is this perhaps jockeying post-elections, post-2014?
Well, that is one of the possibilities that political pundits are predicting at this point of time. Maybe there may not be a pre-poll alliance between NCP and other parties, as you mentioned, Gaurav, but Sharad Pawar being known as a shrewd politician, he may just keep his statements. If you see the policy, the strategy, it seems is an open-ended policy, so that even after elections, they will be open to tying up with any party. That is what his statements about Modi suggest. If Praful Patel's statement is anything to go by the way, they have given a sort of clean chit to Narendra Modi, saying that the court has already given a clean chit to Narendra Modi, and the NCP endorsing that you certainly can be inferred as that the NCP is keeping its options open after the local elections, be it the BJP or be it the third front as well.
Kamlesh, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more.